Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use a secure folder or safe folder on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. In order to set up and then use the secure folder, we'll need to use, for instance, Files app by Google, which looks like this. If you open it for the first time, you might need to agree to certain notifications or permissions actually, so it's up to you. And over here we have the safe folder. Let's go over here. We need to choose a lock for our safe folder. I'm gonna choose a pin code. I'm gonna set up something easy this time. Let's go next. Let's confirm by entering the same code, and there we go. Now, over here we have our safe folder. Of course, right now it is empty, but we can start adding items. So let's say I have this picture over here. I can move it to the safe folder by tapping on these three dots, and then I have this option, move to safe folder, enter the pin code. There we go, and one file moved. Now, if I go to the safe folder and unlock it, then over here I'll find my photo. Of course, I can still take it out of the safe folder by tapping on these three dots next to the image, and then I have moved out of safe folder. There we go. So this is how we can use a safe folder on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.